If you guys want to check out how we deliver mini courses, what you do is you go to m.me, the Ninja Marketer. That's going to get you straight into my messenger channel, straight into the channel, okay? If you want to write down that link and save it, it's going to take you straight into my Facebook Messenger channel. And the same thing, like if you go to m.me, Dr. 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗡, all right? Or, by the way, this might be something that you're just discovering right now, but this is a link that we all have on our pages. We all have this link. If you go to m.me, one of my favorite entrepreneurs of all time, the Shark Daemon. Make sure you don't type that in incorrectly because it's D-A-Y-M-O-N-D. You're going to go into the messenger channels of any of us, and you're going to see how we have these mini courses built in. And they are incredibly powerful and ninja lead magnet tools. So you want to go ahead and check those out because at m.me/Dr. 𝗟𝗥𝗡, you're going to see on the menu the option to get a mini course done. We have 5 mini courses in there. The Keto Basics mini course, Rapid Fat Burning mini course. We have like the Intermittent Fasting Basics and so on and so on. Very simple to get these mini courses done there, and you'll see the experience. Now, in the case of Dr. Berg, at the end of the mini course, we are going to upsell the crap out of you. You're going to get that course done, and at the end of it, we're going to ask you if you're interested in buying the keto kit or if you're interested in using the products that Dr. Berg talked about during the mini course. In the Ninja Marketer, I don't sell you anything. I don't. I'm just trying to use a lead magnet so you can come in. My end goal with you guys, it's never to sell you something. It's to nurture you and provide value and give you something that is going to help you with your business and make you see the power of the technology that I teach. And maybe down the line, when you're ready for it, you come into my agency, which is my #1 obsession, is the marketing agency. Not my courses. My courses, I do them because I love to do them and I enjoy teaching, not because of the monetary factor of it. My agency is the big picture here. I have 65 staff and I'm always pushing more people into my agency. That's my obsession. So I'm trying to just use these as lead magnets. And I would see somebody like you, Mark, would have something similar to this because you're going to bring people in and you're going to give them your value. You're going to help them see that there's opportunities, there's technology that works. And then down the line, you're going to have your central file expanding, your list expanding, and then you're going to bring them into your coaching because these people, you don't handle anxiety and depression with one single little small course. It's kind of like a consistent thing. Would you agree, Mark? It's a consistent thing? So if you go to Shark Daemon, you'll see it on the menu. How do you access the mini courses? On all these places, you're going to see mini courses in the menu of Messenger. Let me tell you one thing that you should know about ManyChat. There is a 25 megabyte limit to the videos that you can upload. Your videos are all going to be above 25 megabytes. Here's a secret. I upload videos that are 10, 12, 15 minutes in length, HD videos. How do I do that? We compress the videos, compressing. And we use tools for that. So if you want to find out about tools, you can either ask on our Facebook groups or you can ask Mr. Google. Mr. Google will be your friend. Video compressing tools. And you're going to find a billion responses. And all you do is you grab those files, which is a 1-minute file, the 2-minute file, the 4-minute file. You put them in there and you compress until you get to 25 megabytes. And inside ManyChat, they have perfected this. I've been using mini courses for years. Inside ManyChat, Mark, is really cool because when somebody opens up a mini course, let me see if I show you guys an example live. But I'll show you this, how simple it is. Inside ManyChat, this thing, it's very user-friendly because you can open up the video full screen, you can pause it, you can rewind, you can fast forward, all of it. And you can always go back to it. So it's all being delivered there and it's super, super user-friendly. So over here, all right, it's not very clear to see it, but you see this is my Messenger channel. I'm going to go ahead and click on Free Ninja Resources. All right, so I clicked on Free Ninja Resources. When you click on that thing, this thing, it's going to start engaging with you. And it's going to give you, what do you want? You want a mini course? You want to get a Facebook ads checklist? You want to, what is it exactly that you want to do? And just based on that, it's going to give you education and resources and value. And then at the end of it, Mark, you can actually, if you feel you delivered a lot of value to them, what you can do is that you can actually have an invitation into your mastermind, into your coaching program, into your next level of engagement, into, hey, just so you know, I want to thank you for going through this mini course. I hope that gave you some basics. I want to let you know that this is a long-term process and I'm here for you. So I want to offer you an invitation to be a part of my group, and this is how you get access to this group right now. So that will be your lead magnet. This thing that you built in ManyChat, this thing that you built, it's cute, it's awesome, it's sexy, it's cool, but I think that putting your face will bring you more qualified people instead of just people that are curious about what this little quiz is about.